All right, guys. So we brined this for about
Where am I going?
16, 17 hours in this mixture. The ice actually stayed icy.
It was pretty cold last
So
night.
it didn't get cold out too bad. But this is probably going to be cold getting out.
You gonna put some of that fruit in there?
I don't know. I don't think you should reuse it.
I wouldn't, but I never know what's for your brain.
Well, my brain doesn't work all the time. But yeah, so this thing's been in this watery slurry
Oh my god.
for a while, for like 16, 17, 18 hours. And now he is in here. Oh,
Wash your hands, and then I will deal with that. It's just getting done from the front yard.
so
You
yeah.
still have a bag in there. I told you to take the guts out yesterday.
Where? Well, I didn't know. Oh, I hate this bag thing. Ugh. Stop that. But yeah, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some new seasonings.
Don't
Some
forget about the
extra-
injector.
Some extra seasonings.
This was my little project this morning, a homemade pumpkin pie. I got to get that baking yet. If you can't tell, we are definitely celebrating our Thanksgiving today.
I'll put some pepper on here. Not too much. I don't like pepper. Some peppercorn.
You did that in the thing.
I know, but you can never have enough.
You probably can.
And of course, you got to put Lowry's in here. It's even named brand.
And some on the counter, you know.
Do you think I should put some oranges in there?
No, I wouldn't reuse it. I'm just gonna go dump it out in the yard. Go, your injector.
All right.
When are you doing that?
Right now.
Because my oven's ready for to put the pie in.
Oh, you got to put the thing together?
This is what he's injecting it with.
How to get out? Ow!
So glad you leave all the cupboard doors open.
Yeah, the broken one. I'm gonna shake well. When I open these. Oh, I have no opener.
Oh my goodness gracious.
I wonder how much of this I can spill in the board. I know. I should have pre-opened this.
That would have been preparing yourself.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna give it a good couple.
Oh, and can you
I can't.
wipe at least the top of the dishwasher up?
See, I knew I'd spill it.
Oh, for fuck's sakes, now I have to redo that.
This is my That would be new. So yeah, we'll just hit it up inside here. A few squirters. Hopefully this is nice and juicy and moist. Moist is the word of the day. It likes it too. See? Where do you think the turkey heart is?
Probably in that bag that you just took out.
Oh yeah. What if this is upside down? I never know which way to cook it. You know, is the breast on the bottom or is it somewhere not?
That didn't even really go in too well.
That happens. Sometimes it doesn't go in very well. Gotta wiggle it around a little bit. But yeah, then I'll just dump the rest on top. And then you just keep watching that.
Ugh. I have a pie to get in the oven. This is very entertaining. Apparently he doesn't know he's cutting into my own schedule of getting things done. Well, we got a root beer and some beers.
A root beer and 2 beers for the juice for now. Alright, then we'll power it up. We'll set it at, I don't know, we'll just start it at about 300. And set the timer for about 4 hours. Whoops.
And you shut it off.
I don't know how I did that. 300.
No, don't hit the power button this time. Just
And
put the cover on and away you go.
And 4 hours, we'll see where it's at, and then we'll be putting it on the...
Does this not have a popper-upper?
Nope, you just gotta wait.
Or did you really do it upside down?
Popper-upper should have been up here. It's fine.
Or it's on the other side.
Yeah, so let that sit for about 4 hours, and then after that, we'll throw her on the grill for a little while. If life is interesting, make it interesting. Winners never quit, quitters never win. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell.
Ding, ding, ding!
Later.